Hello everyone, welcome back to our Materia Medica series. So in this session, I'm going to speak about a very common remedy which you all have asked in the comment section, and that is pulsatilla. So pulsatilla, it is a very commonly prescribed remedy and everybody knows about it. But just to give you a few insight points, so when we say pulsatilla, so if you just check the picture on Google, or maybe I will just attach it over here, how is the pulsatilla plant? You will see that the flower is so delicate, it moves from the air, from the wind, it moves from this side to that side. Same is the feature of a pulsatilla person. So physically, how will the pulsatilla person be? She will be very, she will have features which are very delicate, beautiful, and fine hair, fine eyebrows. These will be the physical features. And on the mental aspect, just as the flower moves with the wind, even the patient has changeability in the mental aspect. So what will be the changeability? आज ये पसंद है, कल वो पसंद है, अब ठंडी लग रही है, कल गर्मी लगेगी, आज प्यास लग रही है, कल प्यास ना लगे, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. And on the mental aspect, pulsatilla is a very sensitive person, very mild, meek, yielding disposition जो हम बोलते हैं. So this is all the basic which we know. But other than this, उसमें एक बहुत ही selfish nature भी होता है pulsatilla में. So for that selfish nature, it can go to any extent कि अगर उनको किसी इंसान का attention चाहिए तो pulsatilla will go to that extent कि उसको वो चीज़ मिले. तो अगर बच्चे में अगर हम देखें तो that child will cry until the mother takes the child in her arms. And the confirmatory points, obviously pulsatilla has open air desire, and if we want to rule out pulsatilla, so that is the ruling out point is कि the patient will never like warm food and warm drinks. So if you feel the patient is pulsatilla, but then there is warm food and warm things desire, rule out pulsatilla. So that is a few insights about pulsatilla. To know any other remedies, then you could just mention it in the comment box below. And if you want a detailed study of the remedies, then of course you can opt for our books. And also there is a e-university website which is live now. So do enroll in that. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.